welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix lag on iPhone after 26 OS update. So, if you're having a lot of issues like with the battery or with the lagging animations and stuff, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings app. After that, you need to go to accessibility options. So from here you need to go to display and text size, and after that you will find the reduce transparency option. It's actually the glass animation that happens when you scroll down or when you open some stuff that will actually make the stuff that is on the background visible but in a glass animation, so it will be transparent. So to save some battery life and to not make your iPhone lag, on older iPhones, you need to turn on reduce transparency. This will help a lot. After that, you need to go back, and now you need to go to motion. So, from motion section, you need to actually disable the autoplay video previews. So this will also save you some battery and will make your iPhone perform better. When you open an image or video, it won't actually open a preview. Also from here there's the other option named limit frame rate. You need to turn it on, so that will actually limit the frame rates from 120 frames to 60 frames, and that will save you a lot of battery life. After that, you need to go back to the main settings menu and then go to battery option. You will find a lot of options. You need to go to charging. So from the charging section we need to do three things. The first thing is to swipe the charging limit to 90% or 85%. So this will help a lot on optimizing the charging process and will help keep your battery safe for longer. Also, you need to turn off optimized battery charging. After we limit the charging, we don't need this option. Also, you need to turn off the clean energy charging. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.